If you use Microsoft Edge and want a separate space for work, personal browsing, or even different logins, creating a second profile is one of the easiest things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a second profile in Microsoft Edge browser in just a few simple steps. This is great if you want to keep bookmarks, history, passwords, and settings separate from your main profile. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click on your profile picture or profile icon. This is where Edge stores and manages all of your browser profiles. Once the profile menu opens, look for the option that says Set up a new profile and click it. After that, Edge will ask you to choose the type of profile you want to create. From the drop-down menu, select either personal or work, depending on how you want to use this new profile. If it's for your own browsing, personal is usually the best choice. If you're setting it up for business, school, or a separate work account, then work is the better option. Next, you'll see the choice to either start or sign in, depending on the setup path you want to take. If you want to begin using the profile right away, click Start. If you prefer to link it to an account first, choose Sign In and follow the prompts. Either way, Edge will guide you through the rest of the setup process. Once everything is ready, click Confirm to start browsing on the new profile. Microsoft Edge will open the second profile in a separate window or tab, and from there you can begin using it right away. You can now sign into different accounts, save separate bookmarks, and keep your browsing history organized without mixing everything together. This is especially useful if you manage multiple Google accounts, different Microsoft logins, or you simply want a cleaner browsing experience. And that's how you create a second profile in Microsoft Edge browser. It only takes a minute, but it can make a huge difference in how you organize your online life. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.